This is the OLLM teeth whitening kit, and this was recommended to me, and I cannot wait to start seeing the results from it. It is safe for sensitive teeth. It has 32 powerful LED lights and ergonomic mouth tray shape. It comes with 3 pens that have the whitening solution, a charger, and then the mouthpiece, and then this is an extra mouthpiece here. So there's 2 ways that you can use it. You apply the pen directly to your teeth, and then you put this in your mouth. Okay, so first is blue light. Second is blue and red light. Blue, blue and red. And the blue and red is supposed to be better for sensitive teeth. So I'm gonna definitely be using that one. It also comes with a shade guide. So you can kind of do a before and after. I'd like to get somewhere over here. I'm probably somewhere over here now. But yeah, make sure you read all the instructions, make sure it's appropriate for you, read the cautions, ingredients, all of that good stuff. But if it's something that you think, you know, will work for you, give it a try, because I have heard nothing but really great things about it. So the OLLM Teeth Whitening Kit.